2010 Mazda 3. Welcome back, guys. How you doing? Hope you're doing great. This is how you open the hood though. There's the latch right there, kickstand. You know what I'm saying? Just pull up the kickstand, put it there, you know what I'm saying? Got 2010 Mazda 3. You know what I'm saying? And now I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change in this beauty. Before I jump into the action, please don't forget to support the channel. Support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Shout outs to my subscribers, you know what I'm saying? Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. Support the channel by clicking on the bell button. Every time I upload new content, you're gonna be the first one to know it, you know what I'm saying? If you don't know, now you know. Giddy. Like this video, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box. Any questions, anything you have in mind, how you like this car, whatever it is, put it in the comment box. You know what I'm saying? As soon as I see it, I'll reply. What else? Sheesh. Right now, what say? What's next? I'm gonna say it again. Support the channel also by leaving the tip on the table. God damn it. You don't have money, you broke. Support the channel by watching the whole ad. Watch the whole ad, don't skip it. It lasts between 5 to 10 seconds, know what I'm saying? It's like a regular TV with commercials, know what I'm saying? Watch it all. Don't skip it. And that's how you're gonna be supporting the channel, know what I'm saying? Now let's jump into this oil change for the 2010 Mazda 3. Come through. See this guy? Just pull it. You know what I'm saying? That's how you open the hood. And I just show you how to open the location of the latch. How you open the hood. You know what I'm saying? Now you come this way. You see the oil dipstick. Engine oil cap. It tells you, not all the time though, not all the cars, but this one tells you what type of oil. 5W20. You know what I'm saying? Regular oil. GD. That's a 3, does it back. Come through here, you see a pipe, resonator, cat, flex pipe. See over here, that's a guy, that's our guy right here. Oil drain plug. And if you come around, you see the oil filter. It's gonna be a 17mm socket. You know what I'm saying? 17mm socket. Watch out, go, watch out. Watch out, go, watch out, go. Let me know. Is it like coffee? Is it clean? Is it dirty? What you think? Put in the comment box for me. You know what I'm saying? Let me know. Let me know how you see this oil. Alright, so once you're done draining most of the oil, put the oil drain plug back. Tight it with the 17mm socket. You know what I'm saying? Clean after yourself. Now if you come right here, here's the other guy. 61348. That's the part number. For this brand though, Parts Master. Just gonna lose it a little bit because it's gonna start draining. It's gonna start dripping. You see a vase. Hold it though, because okay, I'm gonna hold it though. You see? Because you never know when it's gonna fall. What I do is clean it where the oil filter sits. Alright, yeah, just like that. Good girl. New filter, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna lube this old ring, alright? Lube it with oil. The old oil is alright. WD-40 is okay. Then we just install it. Just like that. By hand, right? Don't use tools because you don't want to make a hole in it. Then it's gonna start leaking. Your engine's gonna overheat. You're gonna have bigger problems. That's it. Now, right here, right now, I'm gonna pour 5.3 quarts of regular oil, 5W20. You know what I'm saying? That's with new filter, okay? Get your funnel ready. Now, ready to pour some 5W20, 5.3 quarts. It's almost 5.5. Alright. Careful, doesn't overflow at the bottom. Just pour it slowly. Remove your funnel. Put the engine oil cap back. Clean after yourself. Put the oil dipstick back. Make sure you put everything back. Remove the kickstand. What is this anyway? Just so you can see that 2.5 liter, 2010 Mazda 3. Close hood. Yeah. Mazda 3. And that was it. That's pretty much it. Guys, brothers and sisters, thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Appreciate your time. I'm gonna leave it right here. Alright. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Please do that for the channel. Don't forget to click on the bell button, so every time I upload new content, you're gonna be the first one to know. Alright? Like this video, share this video, and the feedback, put in the comment box. Any thoughts, put in the comment box for me. The other way you can support the channel is by watching the whole ad. Watch the whole ad, alright? Don't skip it. Watch the whole ad, and it's like regular TV. It comes with commercials, so watch it all. You need a break sometimes, so watch the commercials. You know what I'm saying? Watch the ads. Don't skip it, and that's how you support the channel. All right. Or if you have some money, put the tip on the table. God damn it. I leave it right here. Shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Where would I be without you? Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna leave it right here. See you in the next one. Catch me in the next one. Axtuo por un amauti. Yeah.